Cyclone RPA Online Training. Introduction to Cyclone RPA. Cyclone RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a platform designed to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks across various applications and systems. It helps businesses streamline operations, reduce manual effort, and enhance efficiency. Here's a brief overview. Key features of Cyclone RPA. User-friendly interface. Cyclone RPA typically offers an intuitive, drag-and-drop interface that allows users to design and deploy automation workflows without needing extensive programming skills. Integration capabilities. The platform can integrate with a wide range of applications, including enterprise systems, databases, and web services, enabling seamless automation across different environments. Scalability. Cyclone RPA is designed to scale with the needs of the business, allowing for the automation of a small number of tasks initially and expanding as required. Robust security. Security features are built into the platform to ensure that automated processes comply with organizational policies and protect sensitive data. Monitoring and analytics provides tools for monitoring automated processes, tracking performance, and generating analytics to assess the impact and efficiency of the automation. Support for various automation types. Cyclone RPA can handle different types of automation, including desktop automation, web automation, and data extraction. Benefits. Increased efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, organizations can improve operational efficiency and reduce processing times. Cost savings. Reduces the need for manual labor and minimizes errors, leading to cost savings and better resource allocation. Enhanced accuracy. Automation reduces human errors and ensures consistency in task execution. Improved compliance. Helps in maintaining compliance with regulatory standards by automating and documenting processes. Use cases. Data entry and processing, automating the entry and processing of data in various systems. Customer service, handling routine customer service inquiries and processing requests. Financial operations, automating tasks such as invoice processing and reconciliation. Key features of Cyclone RPA. Cyclone RPA is a robotic process automation (RPA) platform that focuses on automating repetitive tasks to enhance efficiency and productivity. Key features of Cyclone RPA include user-friendly interface. Cyclone RPA offers an intuitive, drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the design and deployment of automation workflows. Scalability. The platform supports scaling from small to large deployments, accommodating growing business needs. Integration capabilities. Cyclone RPA integrates with various applications, systems, and databases, facilitating seamless data flow and interaction across platforms. Bot management. It includes tools for managing and monitoring bots, including their performance, logs, and statuses. Security. The platform provides robust security features, including role-based access control and encryption, to safeguard data and processes. Analytics and reporting. Cyclone RPA offers built-in analytics and reporting capabilities to track and analyze the performance and impact of automation. AI and machine learning. The platform can incorporate AI and machine learning for advanced automation scenarios, such as natural language processing and predictive analytics. Process discovery. Cyclone RPA includes tools for identifying and mapping processes suitable for automation. Error handling and recovery. It features mechanisms for handling errors and exceptions, ensuring smooth and reliable automation processes. Cross-platform support. The platform supports automation across various operating systems and applications, enhancing flexibility in deployment. Benefits of implementing Cyclone RPA. Implementing Cyclone RPA, robotic process automation, can provide a range of significant benefits across various aspects of an organization. Here's an expanded look at the key benefits. 1. Increased efficiency and productivity. Automation of repetitive tasks. Cyclone RPA can handle routine, repetitive tasks that would otherwise consume significant human resources. This leads to faster processing times and the ability to handle a higher volume of tasks. Reduced human error. Automation minimizes the risk of errors associated with manual data entry and processing, improving the accuracy of outcomes. 24/7 operations. Robots can work around the clock without breaks, increasing the overall throughput and enabling continuous operations. 2. Cost savings. Lower labor costs. By automating manual tasks, organizations can reduce the need for additional staff or reallocate existing employees to more strategic roles. Reduced operational costs. Automation often leads to lower operational costs, as it can streamline processes and reduce the resources needed for task execution. 3. Improved compliance and accuracy. Consistent processes. RPA ensures that processes are followed exactly as programmed, leading to consistent outcomes and adherence to regulatory requirements. Audit trails. Automated processes can create detailed logs and records of transactions and actions, facilitating better auditing and compliance tracking. 4. Enhanced employee satisfaction. Reduction of mundane tasks. Employees are freed from tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more meaningful and engaging work. Increased job satisfaction. With less time spent on monotonous tasks, employees can experience higher job satisfaction and better morale. 5. Scalability and flexibility. Easy scaling. RPA solutions can be easily scaled up or down based on the organization's needs, allowing for flexibility in handling varying workloads. Adaptability. Cyclone RPA can be adapted to different processes and tasks, making it suitable for various departments and functions within an organization. 6. Better data management and utilization. Improved data accuracy. Automated data handling reduces errors and inconsistencies, leading to more reliable data for decision-making. Enhanced data integration. RPA can integrate with various systems and applications, facilitating seamless data flow and synchronization. 7. Faster time to market. Accelerated processes. Automation can speed up processes and reduce the time required to complete tasks, helping organizations bring products and services to market more quickly. Rapid implementation. RPA solutions can be deployed and configured relatively quickly compared to traditional IT projects. 8. Strategic advantage. Enhanced competitive edge. By leveraging RPA to optimize operations and improve efficiency, organizations can gain a competitive advantage in their industry. Focus on innovation. With routine tasks automated, businesses can redirect their focus towards innovation and strategic initiatives. 9. Risk reduction. Reduced operational risks. Automation decreases the likelihood of human errors and ensures that tasks are performed consistently and accurately. Cyclone RPA Architecture Overview. Cyclone RPA, Robotic Process Automation, architecture is designed to enable automation of repetitive tasks across various applications and systems. Here's an overview of its key components. Control Center. This is the central management console for the RPA system. It handles the orchestration, scheduling, and monitoring of automation processes. Administrators can configure robots, manage workflows, and oversee the entire automation environment from the control center. Robots. These are the software agents that execute the automated tasks. Robots can be classified into attended robots, operate alongside human users, often triggered by user actions or inputs. Unattended robots run independently and can be scheduled or triggered by specific events. Process Designer. This is the development environment where automation workflows are created. It provides tools for designing, testing, and debugging automation processes using a visual interface. Orchestrator. This component manages the execution of automation workflows, schedules tasks, and ensures that robots operate efficiently. It coordinates the interaction between robots and the control center. Analytics and Reporting provides insights into the performance of automation processes, including metrics on efficiency, accuracy, and resource utilization. This helps in optimizing and troubleshooting the automation workflows. Integration Components. Cyclone RPA integrates with various applications and systems through APIs, connectors, or data exchange protocols. This ensures that the robots can interact with different software and data sources as required. Security and Compliance includes features for managing user access, securing data, and ensuring compliance with organizational policies and regulations. Support and Maintenance encompasses tools and processes for maintaining the RPA environment, including updates, patches, and technical support. Integration capabilities of Cyclone RPA. Cyclone RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is designed to integrate with various systems and technologies to streamline business processes and enhance automation. Its integration capabilities are essential for ensuring that it can work effectively within diverse IT environments. Here's a comprehensive look at its integration capabilities. 1. API Integration. Cyclone RPA provides robust support for integrating with applications via APIs. This allows it to interact with different systems and services, enabling automation of tasks across multiple platforms. It supports REST and SOAP APIs, facilitating seamless communication with web services and third-party applications. 2. Database Integration. It can connect to various databases, example SQL, Oracle, MySQL, to extract, manipulate, and update data. This integration is useful for automating data entry, retrieval, and reporting tasks directly from database systems. 3. ERP Systems Integration. Cyclone RPA can integrate with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle ERP, and Microsoft Dynamics. This capability allows for the automation of business processes such as order processing, inventory management, and financial reporting. 4. CRM systems integration. Integration with CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho enables Cyclone RPA to automate customer-related processes, including data entry, lead management, and customer support tasks. 5. Email and communication platforms. Cyclone RPA supports integration with email systems, example, Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, and communication platforms, example, Slack, Microsoft Teams. This allows it to automate tasks such as email notifications, message parsing, and workflow initiation based on communication triggers. 6. File and document management. It can interact with file systems and document management systems, example, SharePoint, Dropbox, to handle tasks like file retrieval, data extraction from documents, and document storage. This is useful for automating document-centric workflows and content management. 7. Legacy systems integration. Cyclone RPA includes capabilities for integrating with legacy systems that do not have modern APIs. This is achieved through techniques like screen scraping and custom connectors, allowing automation of processes involving older technology. 8. Web and cloud applications. It supports integration with web-based applications and cloud services, example AWS, Google Cloud, through web automation and cloud APIs. This facilitates automation of processes that involve cloud resources and web-based interfaces. 9. Custom integrations. Cyclone RPA offers tools for creating custom integrations with bespoke systems or applications. This can be achieved through scripting, custom connectors, or middleware solutions, enabling tailored automation solutions for specific business needs. 10. Business Process Management (BPM) systems. Integration with BPM systems allows Cyclone RPA to enhance process workflows by automating tasks within BPM frameworks. This can lead to more streamlined and efficient process management. Cyclone RPA versus other RPA solutions. When comparing Cyclone RPA to other robotic process automation (RPA) solutions, there are several key factors to consider. RPA platforms differ in terms of features, ease of use, scalability, integration capabilities, and cost. Here's a comprehensive comparison. 1. Features and capabilities. Cyclone RPA. Automation complexity. Cyclone RPA supports both simple and complex automation scenarios, including those requiring advanced logic and integrations. AI and machine learning. Integrated AI and machine learning capabilities for intelligent automation and decision-making. Desktop and web automation, capable of automating tasks on both desktop and web applications. Bot management, advanced bot management features, including monitoring, scheduling, and scaling. User interface, provides a user-friendly interface for designing and managing automation workflows. Other RPA solutions, example UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism. UiPath. Feature-rich, Extensive feature set including AI integrations, process mining, and advanced analytics. Community and marketplace, large community and a marketplace for pre-built components and templates. User experience, known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and strong support for both developers and business users. Automation anywhere. Bot Insight, advanced analytics and insights into bot performance and process efficiency. Cloud native, strong cloud capabilities with a focus on scalability and accessibility. AI integration, robust AI and machine learning capabilities integrated into the platform. Blue Prism, enterprise focus, designed for large enterprises with a strong emphasis on security, compliance, and governance. Digital workforce focuses on a digital workforce model with features for managing multiple bots and complex processes. Developer Tools provides a range of developer tools for designing and deploying automation solutions. 2. Ease of use. Cyclone RPA. Ease of deployment, simplified deployment process, often with straightforward installation and setup. Learning curve, designed to be user-friendly, though the complexity of the automation might require some learning. Other RPA solutions. UiPath, highly intuitive with a visual development environment that reduces the learning curve for new users. Automation Anywhere offers a user-friendly interface with a focus on ease of use for non-technical users. Blue Prism, known for its robust but sometimes more complex interface, which might have a steeper learning curve. 3. Scalability and performance. Cyclone RPA. Scalability supports scaling up from small to large deployments, though specific details depend on the implementation. Performance optimized for high performance with features for managing and scaling multiple bots. Use cases and applications of Cyclone RPA. Cyclone RPA, robotic process automation, is designed to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks across various business processes. Here's an expansive overview of its use cases and applications. 1. Financial services. Account reconciliation. Automate the reconciliation of financial statements, reducing errors and speeding up the process. Claims processing. Handle insurance claims from data entry to approval, improving accuracy and turnaround time. Regulatory compliance. Automate compliance reporting and monitoring to ensure adherence to regulations like GDPR and SOX. 2. Healthcare. Patient data management. Automate the collection and management of patient records, appointment scheduling, and billing processes. Claims management. Process health insurance claims efficiently by extracting, validating, and submitting claim information. Clinical trials. Streamline data collection and analysis for clinical research, reducing manual data entry and improving accuracy. 3. Retail. Order processing. Automate order entry, inventory management, and fulfillment processes to speed up delivery and reduce errors. Customer service. Use bots to handle customer inquiries, process returns, and manage complaints, improving customer satisfaction. Supply chain management. Optimize inventory levels, track shipments, and manage supplier communications through automation. 4. Manufacturing. Production scheduling. automate the scheduling of production runs, resource allocation, and machine maintenance to optimize manufacturing efficiency. Quality control. Use automated systems to monitor and report on quality metrics, reducing defects and improving product consistency. Supply chain coordination. Manage supplier orders, track shipments, and update inventory levels with minimal human intervention. 5. Telecommunications. Customer onboarding. Automate the onboarding process for new customers, including data entry, service activation, and account setup. Network monitoring. Use bots to monitor network performance, detect issues, and trigger alerts or corrective actions. Billing and payments. Streamline billing processes, handle payment collections, and manage disputes with automation. 6. Human resources. Recruitment. Automate candidate screening, scheduling interviews, and processing job applications to streamline hiring. Employee onboarding. Manage the onboarding process for new hires, including document submission, training schedules, and system access. Payroll processing. Automate payroll calculations, tax deductions, and benefits administration to ensure timely and accurate payments. 7. Government. Document management. Automate the processing of government documents, applications, and permits to improve efficiency and reduce processing times. Public services. Use RPA to manage citizen requests, applications for services, and benefit payments, enhancing service delivery. Compliance monitoring. Automate the tracking and reporting of compliance with regulations and standards. 8. Insurance. Policy administration. Automate policy issuance, renewals, and updates to enhance customer service and reduce manual errors. Fraud detection. Use RPA to analyze claims and identify patterns indicative of fraudulent activity. Customer support. Implement bots to handle policy inquiries, process claims, and provide support to policyholders. Getting started with Cyclone RPA. Cyclone RPA is a robotic process automation (RPA) platform that helps automate repetitive and rule-based tasks. If you're just getting started with Cyclone RPA, here's a basic guide to help you. 1. Understanding Cyclone RPA. Overview. Cyclone RPA is designed to automate business processes to improve efficiency and reduce human error. It allows you to create bots that can perform tasks like data entry, processing transactions, and interacting with other systems. Key features. Look into features such as drag-and-drop workflow design, integration capabilities, and reporting tools. 2. Setting up your environment. Installation. Install the Cyclone RPA software on your system. Follow the installation guide provided by Cyclone to set up the RPA environment. Configuration. Configure the RPA server and set up user access. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to create and manage bots. 3. Creating your first bot. Workflow Designer. Use the Workflow Designer to create automation workflows. This typically involves dragging and dropping various activities to design the process. Recording actions. Some RPA platforms allow you to record your actions to generate automation scripts. Explore this feature if available. Testing. Test your bot in a controlled environment to ensure it performs the desired actions correctly. 4. Integrating with other systems. APIs and connectors. Cyclone RPA may offer APIs and connectors for integration with other systems. Use these to connect your bots with applications such as CRM systems, databases, and more. Data handling. Ensure your bot can handle data inputs and outputs correctly, including data validation and error handling. 5. Monitoring and maintenance. Dashboard. Use the RPA dashboard to monitor bot performance and track metrics such as success rates and processing times. Logs and alerts. Set up logging and alerts to keep track of any issues or exceptions encountered by your bots. 6. Best practices. Documentation. Document your workflows and bot configurations to help with future maintenance and troubleshooting. Scalability. Design your bots to be scalable and adaptable to changes in business processes. Security. Ensure that your bots follow security best practices, especially when handling sensitive information. 7. Learning resources. Training. Check if Cyclone RPA offers any training or certification programs. Community and support. Join Cyclone RPA user communities or forums to get support and share experiences with other users. Why choose ProExcellency for Cyclone RPA online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Cyclone RPA online training could be a great decision for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often provides instructors who are experienced professionals in RPA, ensuring that you get high-quality education and insights from experts in the field. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics related to Cyclone RPA, from basic concepts to advanced features, giving you a well-rounded understanding of the tool. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency may offer practical, hands-on training that allows you to work on real-world projects and scenarios, which can help reinforce your learning and build practical skills. Flexible scheduling. Online training through ProExcellency often includes flexible scheduling options, allowing you to learn at your own pace and fit the training into your busy schedule. Certification preparation. If you're looking to get certified, ProExcellency might offer preparation for certification exams, which can help you advance your career and validate your skills. Support and resources. They often provide additional resources such as study materials, forums, and ongoing support to help you throughout the training process and beyond. Positive reviews. ProExcellency generally has a reputation for delivering quality training programs, and their positive reviews and testimonials from past students can give you confidence in their services. Thank you.